Are your new Facebook Marketplace listings not showing up? You're definitely not alone in experiencing this frustrating issue. Many sellers are currently facing visibility problems with their listings. Facebook has implemented several significant changes recently. They've enhanced their AI moderation systems to combat spam and fraudulent listings, but this sometimes causes legitimate new listings to be temporarily hidden or delayed. Additionally, Facebook has shifted focus toward mobile-first marketplace experiences. The most commonly reported issues include new listings taking 24 to 48 hours to appear in search results, when previously it only took 1 to 2 hours. Items might show up on your seller profile, but not appear in category searches. Users also report geographic filtering problems and false duplicate detection. Several factors influence whether your listings become visible. The process starts when you post an item, then Facebook's AI reviews it for policy violations and spam indicators, followed by indexing into their searchable database, and finally, ranking based on various factors. Critical visibility factors include your account standing. Sellers with previous policy violations face longer review times. Content quality is crucial. High-resolution images and detailed descriptions process much faster. Category accuracy matters too. Miscategorized items may be filtered out or delayed. Technical issues also play a role, including server synchronization delays between Facebook's regional data centers, cache refresh intervals causing temporary invisibility, and inconsistencies between mobile and desktop platforms. If you're a new seller with an account less than 30 days old, you might face additional restrictions and longer review times. Now that you understand why your Facebook Marketplace listings might not be showing, you're ready to take action. These visibility issues have clear causes, and fortunately, there are proven solutions to get your items seen by potential buyers. Let's start with the fundamental troubleshooting steps to get your Facebook Marketplace listings visible. These basic fixes resolve most visibility issues quickly and effectively. These steps address the most common technical issues. Account problems, incomplete listings, and outdated apps are frequent culprits behind visibility problems. Next, let's optimize your listing content. Proper optimization significantly improves your chances of appearing in search results and reaching potential buyers. Quality content is crucial. Facebook's algorithm prioritizes listings with complete information, clear photos, and relevant keywords that match what buyers are searching for. If basic steps don't work, try the filter reset technique. This advanced method refreshes your account's interaction with Facebook's search algorithms. This technique forces Facebook to refresh your account's search parameters and can resolve geographic filtering issues that prevent your listings from appearing in the right location. As a last resort, if your listing still isn't visible after 48 hours, you may need to delete and recreate it. This method has proven effective for stubborn visibility issues. Peak activity hours are crucial because more users are browsing during these times, which can help your listing gain initial visibility and engagement that boosts its ranking in search results. Finally, stay informed about Facebook's ongoing platform changes. The company is moving toward more automation and tighter integration with Meta Commerce, which affects how listings are processed and displayed. These troubleshooting methods should resolve most visibility issues. Remember to be patient with the process, as Facebook systems may take time to fully refresh your listing's visibility status.